Why do some people use a single arm combination saw when cutting blocks, and some use a bridge tower saw? Let me explain the advantages and disadvantages of each, then you'll know the difference. First, looking at the cutting method. The single arm combination saw has the blade fixed to the base. The blocks is moved back and forth on a trolley for cutting. The bridge type tower saw, on the other hand, keeps the blocks fixed. The saw blade moves back and forth on the base for cutting. Now, let's talk about their pros and cons. The single arm saw offers a fast cutting speed. It's highly efficient. Advantages include a small footprint and a low unit price for the base. The disadvantage is that because the cutting speed is fast, it is easy for the thickness of the slabs to be uneven. There's the problem of the slabs being thicker at one end and thinner at the other. And because the saw blade needs to be thicker, it will result in a low yield. Finally, since combination saws typically require high power motors to operate, the blade cost is also high. Therefore, they are only suitable for some low-demand engineering slabs and some inexpensive materials. The opposite tower saw has the advantage of a thin saw blade, high material yield, because it is a rotary slice entry. Therefore, the motor power required is small. The thickness and size are accurate and save electricity. The disadvantage is that the cutting speed is relatively slow. However, it's also possible to speed up the process by cutting multiple rough stones side by side. Secondly, tower saws generally have a high unit price and occupy a large footprint. Therefore, you need to choose based on the actual site size and the type of stone. That's it. This was an introduction to single arm combination plays and bridge tower plays. What other differences do you think they have? Feel free to add your comments in the comment section.